right, here we are, boys and girls. We are on day number 5 of our March daily math. So, number 1 says, write the value of the 4 in each number. Well, this would be just plain old number 4, right? 4 ones. That's just plain old 4. Here is 4 tens, which equals 40. And here's 4 hundreds, got to write small, which equals 400. So we have 4, and then we have 40, and then 400. Write any number that comes between. So we can have any number from 824 up to 851. Okay, so there's a lot of choices there. Number 3 says 15 times 5 equals 10 times 5 plus 5 times 5. And then it says equals what plus what equals what. Okay, well, instead of 15 times 5, they're trying to make it a little bit easier by going 10 times 5. Well, 10 times 5 is 50. Okay, and 5 times 5 is 25. So 15 times 5 is 75. Okay then. Number 4. How much does the puzzle cost? Well, each of these little ones is 6. So I'm going to kind of continue my line there, right? So I really have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 rectangles then that are this size. So each one costs 6 cents. Well, 6 times 6 equals 36, right? 6 times 6 equals 36. So this puzzle costs 36 cents. All right, here we are. March Madness. March is basketball month. Aiden has been saving his money to buy a new basketball. He has 5 $5 bills. The basketball costs $27.45. How much more money does he need? How much more? So that means he probably doesn't have enough, right? Well, 5 $5 bills. Well, 5 times 5 equals 25. And it costs $27.45. And he has $25 and no cents. So now we're going to compare those, or we're going to subtract to find the difference of what he needs to have enough. So he still needs to get 5 times 0 is 5. 4 times 0 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. So he still needs $2.45. Okay? All right, $2.45. All right, well, we will see you tomorrow for day number 6 of your March Daily Math.